They throwing shade, it's a tea party. They talking shit in this bitch, it's a tea party. It's hella shade at the tea party. Messy hoes in this bitch, it's a tea party. Throwing shade at the tea party.
Hey ladies and genies, so right now what we're going to get into is a quick brow tutorial. I'm starting off with my Becca primer, also making sure your face is completely clean. Sorry about that skin discoloration, my skin is crazy right now. But yeah, I'm going to apply that primer right to my brows, make sure that my eyebrows are ready for a flawless application, you know? So yeah, pat that out. And now we're going to start with our any old brow pencil. This one is by Wet n Wild, nothing expensive. I think it cost me $1.29 at Fred Meyer's, aka Kroger. So I'm going to go ahead and draw these brows out. If you mess up in this first part, that's totally fine. We just need to make sure that we know the shape that we're going for. If you're like me, I change up my shape every time I do my brows. As you can see, my natural brows I don't do nothing to. Right there, I'm tracing just to make sure that they are perfectly across from each other. I don't want one higher or lower than the other. Sometimes that happens. I want to make sure I'm doing this correctly. So yeah, after I'm drawing them out, I color it in a little bit. Shading. Yeah. Look at that. Okay, I like this pencil because it's really creamy. That's why I'm using it. But any pencil will do for you. And I bring it forward like a unibrow so I can make sure they are perfectly aligned with each other. I don't want one being super small or super big. Again, they're sisters, not twins, so they're not going to be perfectly the same. But we want them similar. Right there, I'm taking my spoolie that I think this is by Morphe, if I'm not mistaken. If not, some cheap spoolie will do. Brush them out, make sure that they're all going the same direction, all those little hairs. Then I'm going to take my Neutrogena makeup wipe and clean that middle part up so I won't have a unibrow. You can do that with your concealer as well. That's Better Skin Maybelline concealer. That is the color 60, I believe. Yeah, so we're going to make sure that we line our brow bone at the bottom with the lighter color. Want your brows to pop. That concealer makes it pop, honey. It makes it pop, girls. So, yeah. Line that up. And then I use a darker color for the top. That's Infallible primer. And we're going to put that on the top. And that is almost my same exact shade. So I line it with a darker concealer at the top so I won't have a halo around my eyebrows. Some people like that. I don't personally like that on my skin tone. So yeah, we're going to take our nice little flat brush and bring that concealer down. If you mess up, again, you can go back and clean your brows up, but this is just for starters. Take that good old, that brush is by Real Technique. I love that brush. It's my favorite brush. Blend, ladies. Blend, ladies and genies. We got to blend that out. Again, as you can see, I messed up, but we're going to go back and clean that up. No worries. So, yeah. Boom. Jam it to my music. Boom. Don't mind me. Yeah. My other flat brush, we're going to take it and blend it out at the top. Look how pretty that color is. That Infallible, babies, it is so pretty. And it doesn't make you shiny at the end. Yeah. If we mess up, again, we can go back and clean it up. Don't worry. Trust your process. Sorry, you can hear my dog in the background. She's so sad. She wants me to pick her up. Okay. Take that spoolie again. Blend those brows up. Clean it up a little bit. Clean it up. I think I was listening to 21 Savage. I love it. Ass and titties. Hey, ass and titties. Yeah, bouncing. I'm crazy, y'all. But yeah, we're going to go up and clean it. We're just doing the cleaning process right now. We're cleaning it up. Whew, this brow process is so amazing. But brows make your whole makeup look, so we want to make sure that they are flawless or close to as perfect as you possibly can be. Okay, now we're going to go back with our Maybelline Tattoo brow. And it's sort of dark. It's almost black, but it says dark brown. So we're going to go back and clean that up. Make sure that your brows are just like looking like stencils, honey. I love this part. You see how dark it is? So we're going to take our spoolie in a minute and make sure that it blends out. Yes. Yes, ombre brow. Ombre. Ombre brow. Okay. So yeah, we're going to do that on the other side, y'all. This is so beginner friendly because if you mess up, see, I am showing y'all all my mess ups. If you mess up, you can go back and clean it up. It doesn't matter. Trust your own process. As I'm still jamming. Cleaning it up with the brush with the product on it. You know, making sure they're straight. They cute or whatever. You know. Okay. Yes, brush, blend, brush. Check them. All right, that is my my setting powder there, and we're going to use that to make sure that our brows are blended really well. Make sure we don't have a halo at the bottom of our brow. Sorry about that. We got somebody watching TV in the background. All right. So, yeah. Anything that you need to fix, I'm going to go back with our concealer and make sure that it is fixed at the bottom. Make sure that our translucent powder or our setting powder is not in our brows. Okay. Look how flawless they are when you go back and clean it up. Yes, y'all. Y'all see it? It's a process. I'm telling you, the process. Looking good here. Looking good. Yes. And that's about it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you like, share, and make sure that you subscribe. Appreciate y'all for watching my video. And at the end, we're going to show after pictures as I'm going out to the club with my honey.
I swear to God, it's what I got going on all of these buildings, so it ain't no snowing, no popping this tax. I gotta run it up, get to these checks, commas, I count them up.